How to mention all members in a WhatsApp group. This tutorial shows you how to notify everyone in a group chat at once on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the group chat you want to mention everyone in. From there, you can mention each member individually by typing the @ symbol and selecting their name one by one. But if the group has a lot of members, that can take a really long time. At this point, before a recent update, that was honestly the only way to do it, but WhatsApp has now made it a lot easier with the new at all feature. In the next step, tap on the message field at the bottom to bring up your keyboard. Following this, type the @ symbol and you'll see a new option appear right above the keyboard. Once done, tap on All Members and WhatsApp will automatically mention every single person in the group with just one tap. From here, you'll notice all the members are now tagged in your message before you even send it. At this stage, add whatever message you want to go along with the mention so everyone knows what you're notifying them about. Finally, tap the Send button and every member in the group will receive a notification that they've been mentioned. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you mention all members in your group chat, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.